Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to make Skibidi in Infinite Craft. So all you have to do is to combine water and fire to make a steam, then combine two steam to create a cloud, then combine it with water to create a rain, then combine it with water to create rainbow, then combine two fire to create volcano, then combine two water to create a lake, then combine it with volcano to create an island, then combine it with another island to create a continent, then combine it with lake to create America. Combine volcano and island to create Hawaii, then combine Hawaii and America to make Obama, then combine it with America to make change, then combine earth and water to make a plant, then combine it with wind to create dandelion, then combine it with plant to create a weed, then combine water and dandelion to make a wine, then combine it with water to create holy water, then combine it with wine to create Catholic Church, combine it with rainbow to create a gay, then combine gay to change to create straight, then combine it with gay to create bi, then combine two bi to create bi. Combine earth and earth to create mountain, then combine it with wind to create avalanche, then combine it with another avalanche to create snow, then combine water and fire to create steam, then combine it with fire to create engine, then combine it with cloud to create jet, then combine it with water to create a plane, then combine it with snow to create a ski, then combine two lake to create an ocean, then combine two ocean to create a sea, then combine continent and America to create North America, then combine it with water to create Canada, then combine it with sea to create sea, then combine it with change to create D, then combine it with buy to create bid. After that, combine B and bid to create BDB, then combine it with ski to make Skibidi. After that, combine plant and water to create swamp, then combine it with plant to create Venus flytrap, then combine it plant dandelion to create weed, then combine earth and wind to create dust, then combine it with weed to create clean, then combine it with Venus flytrap to create toilet. After that, combine two plant to create a tree, then combine it with water to create river, then combine it with earth to create delta, then combine tree and river to create paper, then combine it with another paper to create book, then combine delta to create alphabet, then combine it with two alphabet to create word, then combine word and mountain to create mouth, then combine fire and earth to create lava, then combine it with water to create stone, then combine it with lava to create obsidian, then combine it with stone to create a blade, then combine it with stone to create an axe, then combine it with stone to create a head. After that, combine word and mouth to create talk, then combine it with head to create chatterbox, then combine it with head to create talking head, then combine it with toilet to create talking toilet, then finally combine talking toilet and Skibidi to make Skibidi toilet. So that is basically it. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.